everyone, this is my new channel Journey with Nidhi, and in this new channel we'll be posting videos related to life lessons, some cooking tips and tricks, makeup tutorials, my life, some vlogs, and my life in China as an expat. So to watch more videos about me, my life, and things in China and other some great content, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the new update whenever I post a video, and of course don't forget to hit the bell icons. Hi, so let's talk about our today's topic. So our today's topic is attitude of gratitude and how it gonna change your life. I'm literally saying that it gonna change your life completely. It gonna change you, it gonna change people around you, it gonna change the surroundings that you live in. It gonna literally change everything. So let me first tell you what do I mean by attitude of gratitude. So attitude of gratitude is that you should be thankful for each and everything and every person in your life, no matter how big or small it is. You need to be thankful. So now, as you all know, what is the right attitude? The attitude of gratitude. So now, next question that comes to your mind is that to whom you should be thankful to. The list is not so long. I have compressed this list into 5 most important people or things in your life that you should be thankful to. So the number 1 in the list is definitely the God, the Almighty, who has blessed you with so many good things in your life, so many wonderful people in your life, such beautiful surroundings that you live in, and He has provided you with all the good things that you deserve in your life. Yeah, I can understand that there can be problems, there can be troubles, that there can be some issues in your life going on right now. But have faith in Him, because He definitely had got some plans for you, some much better things in store for you for the coming future. So every morning just take out few seconds to thank Him for just another day in your life. Be thankful to God. Be thankful to the Almighty. So here comes number 2 in our list that you should be thankful about. So number 2nd thing, the most important thing that you should be thankful is our Mother Nature, our Earth. This Earth has provided us with so many good things that we don't value much. They have provided us with fertile land which help us to grow our food. They has provided us with clean water to drink. They provide us with oxygen to breathe in. They provide us with biosystem and with so many other creatures in that biosystem that is necessary for our survival. They have provided us with so many beautiful things to look around. So just be thankful to our environment, our Mother Nature, and take care of it. It is very important. The 3rd thing in the list is your body, your soul. So you should be really thanking your body because it has provided you with the 5 senses, because of which you are able to experience, you are able to see, you are able to hear such incredibly wonderful things around you. You should be thankful to your body and your organs because they are letting you live a good life. They are letting you live longer and they are responsible for your well-being. So yes, and you should also be thankful to your soul because this soul somewhere guides your path in the journey of life. This is what makes what you are. This soul is responsible for your being. this time you must be wondering what is number 4 in our list. So number 4 in our list is that you should be thankful to your family. Your family is the most important thing in your life, right? But how often do you say thank you to your mom, thank you to your dad, thank you to your brother and sister and other people in your family? Not often, right? Because we take them for granted. But we should be very thankful to our parents, because of them we are here, because of their sacrifices we are living this wonderful life, because of our brothers and sisters and elders guidance we are doing right in our life, isn't it? And because of them we have somebody to love, somebody who can care for us, somebody who can pamper us. So be thankful to your family. Last but not the least in our list, you should be very, very, very thankful to all the people around you. Be it be your colleague, be it be your friend, be it be your house help, be it be a stranger who just smiled at you while you were crossing the same road. So be thankful to each and everyone around you, because your life is not only yours. Your life is made up and full of a lot of people who love you, who care for you, and who help you do the things that you do in your daily life. Say thank you to your house help today. Say thank you for helping me out. Say thank you for making me life easy. Say thank you to your boss. Thanks, boss, for guiding me in this project. Or just say thank you to your friend for being there for you 24/7. Now all of you will say, okay Nidhi, now we know the list. But how should we say it? Well, you can say thank you in person, like on face to face. Whenever you meet somebody, be thankful to them. Whenever somebody does something for you, be thankful to them. Even if somebody just smiled at you or just asked you, how are you doing today? Just say thanks for asking. So it is very easy, just say it to them. Or maybe, now when it comes to God or Almighty, just say thank you to them in your prayers, to nature and environment. Just thanks them. Just make a gratitude journal where you write all the things that you're grateful for, all the good things in your life. Say thanks to everything in your life and maintain a gratitude journal. Now, as you all know a lot about attitude of gratitude, now you're gonna tell me, Nidhi, you told us that it's gonna change your life. But how? How it gonna change my life? First thing that it will do to you is it will develop a positive attitude in you. Yes, it gonna change your negative thoughts to the positive thoughts. It gonna change the relationship of you with others, because you will start sending them positive vibes. You will start wishing them well. So your relationships will be more full of love and affection. Next thing is, by thanking nature, you will help it to prosper, grow. I promise you one thing, attitude of gratitude will not only provide you with instant happiness and joy, but it will fill your heart with immense inner peace. Yes, it will. So start saying thank you from now on to everybody and everything around you. And now it's my time to to show my gratitude to you. For thank you so much to all of you for taking out your time and watching my video. A very big thank you to all of you. Also, let me know in the comment section down below who are the people that we should be more grateful to, which are not mentioned in my list. And also, what are your ways of showing gratitude? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and my video. Love and peace from Nidhi. Signing off.